Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner like all in. Lit the fire when you doubt it, now I'm all in. Put me with the best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no falsing. Doubted when I lost, slide back when I win. Fade and pay the cost, but I rose with thick and thin. Battles in the scars, see 'em on my skin. They tried to knock me out, but I'ma fight it to the end, and there's no days off. I'm just resting up a little, know it pays off. I'm just stuck up in the middle, knock some weight off. I've been carrying for years, and I'm not worried, I got no fear. Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner like all in. Lit the fire when you doubt it, now I'm all in. Put me with the best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no falling.
Hey you down there, see you stop and stare, cause you're not up here. Hey you, way down there, see you down there, looking up here.
Get you some binoculars, so you can see me on the jumbotron. They notice me back when I drive top speed. It's been top speed, took a leap off the edge and you had cold feet. I'm driving head first, phone turn, phone freeze, dead sprint, CR7 tight speed, all pro, sports mode, big league. Every single time bet on myself, that's on me. East, west, north, south, all scenes, worldwide, big waves, all seas. Same car, same clothes, still me. Only thing that changed is a change that's on me. Home run, touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner talking home run. Touchdown, buzzer beater, do it all now. All now, top corner like all in. Lit the fire when you doubt it, now I'm all in. Put me with the best, bring the stars in. Undefeated mode, no falling.
I'm just curious, were you like looking at our location, or did you just happen to randomly run into us?
I saw you guys on the map ways out, but I wasn't paying attention to it when I came right in front.
Yeah.
I was like,
how the fuck of all lines? This is a
you see that
random.
jump I did right before you guys?
Yeah.
I was like, oh god. You guys got your cars fast.
Yeah, well, dude, he keeps losing his cooler. It's like, he lost his cooler, then he lost his toolbox. I'm like, Jesus, bro. Made it to the drags. It's freaking Monday, guys. We went out for a little rip with our Utah crew, and then our Arizona crew somehow ended up crossing us right in the middle, and I was like, sweet, so we were gonna jump in with them. And now we're at the drags just for a minute, and then we're gonna head to Sunset.
When you walk in the street alone and nobody can hear you go, ooh, are you happy? Don't I know what you feel? 'Cause you're a freak when you get too near. Ooh, are you happy? Like a ghost in the night, you're leaving me without goodbye. Ooh. Are you happy? It's a shame to give up. I really wanted one more try. Ooh, are you happy now?
We were out riding, having fun, then we lost Tim, and then Jack called and said, Jonathan, we need help. And apparently he lost his bolt off of his tie rod. We got Mechanic Mike in the house. Lost his bolt out of his tie rod. But Chris went and got him a bolt. Thank you, Chris. Shout out to you. Appreciate you a ton. Thanks for saving the old step pops. So I guess we're gonna go back and cook some food because I'm hungry. It is New Year's Eve. We're doing our annual potluck right now. We got people outside eating food.
They say the airbags help out a lot.
Miles, is they okay?
Is he? Okay. We got Uncle Doug in here. Uncle Doug is feeding Miles. Are you eating ribs, bro?
Dude, he's a rib man.
Look,
They're so amazing.
look at you.
Dude, he's tearing it up.
What is all that red stuff on there?
He did like cookies too. Look at him.
Oh, I love it.
He wants the water. And
Does he?
he's thirsty. Dude, he loves ribs, dude.
Apparently you do too. So we had people that made food. We had Tig made some ham. Not sure who made the rice. Krista made her famous deviled eggs. We got Chris who made some really good ribs. I don't know what that is, but it looks delicious.
It's brie.
Brie.
Yeah, cheese.
Cheese.
Dip.
Dip. Ah, dip. Cheese.
Yeah.
There's some good
He
flavor in
loves
those
ribs,
ribs.
dude.
He does. Oh my God. Whoa, family friendly, Matt.
I'll tell you never film me.
Anyways,
That's Zach. down here?
yeah, never film Matt. He's the guy that didn't do maintenance on his daughter's machine last New Year's. Remember that, guys? Oh, see how that went? Huh? You don't? Oh.
I don't remember.
Oh, you don't remember. But the viewers, they remember. The people that actually watch the channel, they remember.
What did I do? I don't know.
Oh no, you didn't do nothing. It was your dad. Wow. What a way to end 2025. He's getting rid of his bad habits, guys, of being a jerk and being mean to people. And we're gonna end 2025 with a little bit of fun. It has rained all day today. I had this whole video planned for today, but instead all we got was rain. So we watched movies all day.
If I was
You sit in that seat.
working at a dealership,
Jonathan, sit in that Sit in that seat. Feel that seat.
have you tried the contours yet?
That is like sitting on a sofa.
Thank you, Doug.
The contours are.
Yeah, they fart on that thing.
All right, guys, I don't know how good the footage is coming in at this point because there's not a lot of light. This is a newer DJI than the last one we had, so who knows? Hopefully it's better in the dark. But we got on the loud horn. We told people we're having a night ride. Chris is finally gonna go on a ride with me, and we're gonna head to the hill. It's gonna be great. Are you ready to go to the hill?
Hell yeah, let's go.
Oh, let's go. All right, let's go to the hill, guys. Okay, guys, look who I brought.
It's me.
For the first time, and literally she hasn't rode with us in a week because Miles has been sick for a long time.
Well, it's been 3 or 4 days, but yeah.
So this is our very first ride together. And my mom's gonna watch Miles and we're gonna go off to the hill.
It's time to go to the hill, you guys. It's New Year's Eve. We got fireworks popping off all around us. It's cold outside. It's been raining. But now it's time to get to the hill for some shenanigans. Because there's no other place to be.
Every bump, my stomach jumps, laughing just to kill the nerves. Tell me that we got this route. Tell me that we know these curves. Roads won't feel tries to pull us down, will you still believe? Floor it now, don't look down. If we make it back in one piece, we're legends in this town. Oldsmobile, hill or bust, I just wanna get there. Engine screaming, kicking up rust, praying that we still break.
Oh no! Who is that?
Oh, it's Tracy.
Oh no!
I thought I saw him disappear in my life.
Oh no! What happened?
Everybody clear. Let's help lift it.
Is it at park? At park?
Who is in that?
It ain't gonna roll nowhere.
It's at park.
1, 2, 3.
Who is in that? Polly? Hey, you've now watched 2 rollovers in Glamis.
That one was actually right in front of me. I missed the last one. That
Yay! The whip still works.
Oh, you got the end going there.
Crazy. That's crazy.
People pay.
Manny's safe. Kyle's safe. We're all safe. It's wet, you guys. Like, this stuff is wet, slippery. It happens. Hobby.
When you pay money and you play with your money, then you get sometimes deficits, kind of like the country.
I tell you what, you guys. So you've got Mason, Jared, Aurora, and then Noah, all in their little RS1, a little RS1 mob up here. Look at them all. And they were cruising, dude. They were all in front of us. So all those cars you saw right in front of us were the kids. And they were grooving. I told Tracy that his son outdrove him. that was, yeah, everybody's okay. We're good. So onward to the hill. There's fireworks, you guys. All that smoke from fireworks. If you watch long enough, 10% left on this battery, so we're gonna have to savor every moment. But it's not really early though. It's like 9 o'clock now. But I don't know. We made it.
Well, we got to the hill to have fun, and then we found out somebody else had a boo-boo. So now we're dealing with boo-boo number 2. Matt's pigeon toes, guys. Look at that. That sucker is pigeon toed.